So I think I bit off too much than I could chew at once because I was like, oh, I didn't account for the days that I feel like this, where my mind is running. Your girl didn't feel like putting on no real clothes today. I didn't. I didn't. So welcome back to day 6 of 31 days of motivation. Y'all, today's today's thing, today's motivation is real because I didn't want to come to y'all today. I didn't want to come. But it was consistency brings discipline. So that's one thing. And today's motivation is, what's your solution? What's your solution to the problem? So I think I bit off too much than I could chew at once because I was like, oh, I didn't account for the days that I feel like this, where my mind is running all over the place and I want to do all these things and get all these things done. So I've been cleaning here, cleaning there, going from one room to another room. It's all been a thing. I hope you can hear me because I did not turn the mic on. And I don't like the way the mic sounds because I got the mic on medium, but when I put it on low, it doesn't sound right. So I hope you can hear me. This is going to be a quick one, I think, because what's the solution? What is the solution? The solution to my problem today was throw on this hoodie. You can see it. I got gnomes in the back, and then I got Santa Claus in the front. I did put on a Ohio State hat, and yeah, because that's where I'm at. I'm in Ohio. It is freezing here, so it matches. So my solution for today is put on a hoodie. Like, I know y'all enjoy the OOTDs. Y'all enjoy it, but your girl didn't feel like putting on no real clothes today. I didn't. Okay. The reason why I put what is the solution, because I'm a solution-based person. I love to know what the solution is. And don't be over here complaining, because I don't want to hear you complaining. Do not be in my ears crying about what it is. When you, especially if I give advice like, hey, well, maybe you should try X, Y, and Z. And I know that my advice, it work, whatever. And you still complaining and crying about the same thing. No, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. And it does sound rude, but at the end of the day, you're not going to drain me. I'm not allowing it to be done to me anymore. I used to allow people to drain me all the time because they enjoyed hearing me. People enjoy hearing my voice. And I'm like, oh, that's crazy. I don't want to hear my voice all the time. Sometimes I feel like talking, sometimes I don't. But if you don't have a solution to your problem, what can I do for you? If you don't have a solution to your problem, what can I do for you? Nothing. There's nothing that I can do. I can be supportive, but I'm not going to be an open ear if you're going to sit here and cry about the same thing. If we're crying about the same thing, we're crying about the same men, and there's no solution on how we getting out of this, how we going past this, how we going X, Y, and Z, how you going to not be biting off too much because you said you was going to get dressed every day. How you going to deal with that? You have hoodies. I made this hoodie. So it's still something that I made. So that's the solution to my problem today. I didn't feel like getting dressed. And yeah, and just make it like a cozy day. And so yeah. So what is your solution to your problem? What is your solution to your problem? Are you just venting or are you talking things out? Because there's a difference between venting and talking it out. Venting is when you don't have a solution and you just want to keep talking about the same thing where you just, it feels good. It feels good. And I know what it feels like to vent and vent and vent and vent and vent because I was that person. I was that person that used to vent all the time because it felt good. Because, like, I didn't know, like, hey, you can actually make a solution to this. You can make the solution. And the solution could be something that just really changes everything. There's not another day that you have to vent about the same thing. Oh my gosh, the dishes keep piling up. What you gonna do about it? Go wash the dishes. Put them in the dishwasher. There is a solution for everything. And if you can't find a solution, you don't need to be worrying about it. And yes, I know that's kind of hard for me to say to people that are worry warts. It's kind of hard to say, but it's true. Like the song says, don't pray and worry. Don't pray and worry. Because if you're going to pray about it, don't worry about it. If you're going to worry about it, don't pray about it. You can't do both. So if you're going to vent about it, there's no solution. You don't want one. We can have so many problems, but we have to find a solution. Ask for help. Yesterday's message, I had a little bit in there about asking for help. Ask for help if you need it. If you need it. And y'all, I keep saying all this stuff because I'm really talking to myself. I really am talking to myself. Like, I'm talking to myself. So, with that being said, I've already said this again, but this is the last time. This is it for this one, y'all. Okay? So, if you enjoy these videos, please leave a comment in the comment section. Please. Because if y'all not... Y'all rocking with me. Y'all rocking with me, okay? But if y'all not rocking with me, please put it in the comment section like, girl, that's okay. Just give us the OOTDs and went in the short and we'll be fine. You know, I don't have to come and sit here and just say anything because the notes is here for me. And I'm sharing it on here as my journey for other people to see. So, yeah. So with that being said, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hype me up if you see it. And I appreciate all the likes and love so far. And y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's video.